We have focused on pliers for over 135 years. With a high standard of quality, a constant stream of new ideas, and the performance put in by our employees and partners, we have made KNIPEX the world's leading brand for pliers. In 1882, Carl Gustav Putsch founded a small forge in Wuppertal-Kronenberg in Germany, which initially produced carpenters' and farriers' pincers, generating around 60 items per day. The company grew and expanded its range continuously. By 1927, 27 employees were making more than 1,000 pliers per day. Today, KNIPEX is the world's leading brand for pliers. In Wuppertal-Kronenberg, over 1,000 employees produce more than 45,000 pliers each day for professional users. Our portfolio includes more than 1,000 items for gripping, cutting, deforming, and for lots of special applications, so that we can provide the right tools for every application. These range from small precision electronics pliers right through to water pump pliers for plumbers, which are more than half a meter in length. Little by little, KNIPEX has grown into a group of companies. With Rennsteig, Orbis Will, and Will, we form a network of complementary production firms and international sales and service companies. We now have KNIPEX employees working in over 20 countries. Our aim is to always be one step ahead. With our constant stream of new and improved solutions, we are the think tank in our product segment. How can I save energy when cutting and gripping? How can I work safer and quicker? How can we improve ergonomics and service life? We busy ourselves with these questions on a day-to-day basis, in teams and in dialogue with users from an extremely wide range of sectors. As specialists, we want to know all the details and get to the bottom of the technical possibilities. With the help of state-of-the-art hardware and software, as well as sophisticated test procedures, only the best ideas make it to series production. We are committed to directly managing all properties of our products ourselves. We therefore carry out all operations in-house and under one roof, from forging right through to dispatch. Everything from a single source, made in Germany. That's what KNIPEX is all about. The forged steels, which vary depending on the type of pliers, are alloyed in line with our exact specifications. Our own toolmaking department makes the dies, in other words, the molds in which the heated steel is forged. During the forging stage, the foundation is laid for the final quality of the resulting pliers. After this, there are lots of subsequent operations. Some of the most important include drilling, milling, and grinding. Our extensive experience and the constant improvements to our procedures also give us the chance to gain a definite edge in manufacturing technology time and time again. To efficiently produce pliers which meet the very highest requirements, we need both automated technology and dedicated, skilled employees. We may have hundreds of machines, but these are supported by our employees' extensive specialist expertise. The machines must be set, monitored, and maintained carefully. We develop and build lots of our machines ourselves, so that we can always use the most suitable technology for our requirements. Pliers are subjected to a great deal of stress in everyday work. As a result, they need to have a perfect ratio of hardness and toughness. We ensure this through several stages of careful heat treatment. As a brand, we promise 100% reliability. In addition to the modern manufacturing processes, all stages of production are subject to strict test procedures. Due to our high precision requirements, we need complex measuring technology which is accurate down to 1/100th of a millimeter. We are present in over 100 countries globally. We reach our trade partners through our own subsidiaries and vendors, representatives and importers, and offer them the widest range of all manufacturers of pliers. Our brand is synonymous with specialist expertise and performance. It is trusted and held in high regard by customers and users all over the world. When we say that the employees are a company's most important asset, we mean it. Our employees have the knowledge and skills, the ideas and dedication, without which we would not be able to extend our competitive edge and constantly improve. We want to be an attractive company for both our customers and our employees. They should be able to bring their skills and ideas, but also their different personalities to the table. Everyone contributes to our success and further development in their own way. We therefore create good conditions for our employees to realize their potential. They should also be able to combine their family life with their career. We put a lot of effort and care into training, where we teach young people and also professionals technical and personal skills. It is an important investment in the future. We strive for long-term economic success, but not at all costs. After all, we also share the responsibility for the quality of our natural environment and the community to which we belong. We need resources, but treat them with as much care as possible. We want to contribute towards ensuring an improved living environment for subsequent generations as much as possible. We believe that companies should also be good citizens. We're therefore involved with our region, primarily in the areas of education and culture. We're proud of our colleagues who support us with this social commitment. Today, we're already working on the success of tomorrow and beyond by constantly investing in our employees and our site. This means that we will be able to remain an independent family business in the future. As we have gone from being a small pliers forge to a global market leader, our company has seen a lot of changes. And the market also remains in a state of motion. Globalization and digitalization are important drivers of change. Change means that we need to adapt and explore new avenues again and again. But a few principles have been important to us from the offset. They are part of our mission statement, which shapes the way we think and act. Less is more. We have a clear focus and want to be the best when it comes to pliers, for the benefit of our users and customers. Quality is key. We have very high standards when it comes to our products and the way in which we do business. Good is not good enough. We are always working on improving ourselves every day, everywhere in the company. Values are important to us. We do business sustainably and strive towards fair and good cooperation with our employees, our partners, and our sphere. On this basis, we want to grow further, explore new avenues, and exploit our favorable opportunities. Together with you.